Well, my chicken legs are done. You will thermometer, of course. And so, what I'm gonna do? Just like with my wings, soak the crap out of them. See, man, just the some. What do you think, huh? Looking good, baby. So, there you go. The BBQ Chicken legs with sweet baby raised honey barbecue sauce. Turn the fire off. Stir that around a little bit. Let it cook. Get that golden glaze on it, baby. That's right. Yum. I mean, we're talking delicious. Well, it's good enough for us. Now, a few times before look at that. You know, that is not burnt. That is glazed, baby. There's a difference. Glazed taste. So, what do you think? I got my wings over there. I got my legs. I take these babies off. To marinate for a while. Clean my grill. And that's my day, baby. Another successful cooking adventure on my Blackstone. Don't worry, that's going to clean off, not a problem. Because it's, you know, it's been what? Seasoned. There you go. Been seasoned, clean that off, cool off, cook it off, and I'll be eating again. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Have a good day.